What if I told you there is a mountain so mysterious no human has ever climbed it? A place where time itself seems to distort, where people claim to see the face of Lord Shiva, and even NASA's images have sparked speculation. Is Mount Kailash just a natural wonder or something far beyond our understanding? Stick around till the end of this video because we're uncovering the secret of the world's most forbidden and sacred peak, the Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash is located in the Gari prefecture in the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. It's part of the Kailash range in the western section of the Trans-Himalayas. It stands at the junction of India, China and Nepal at an elevation of 6,638 meters. It's the source of four major rivers, the Indus, the Satluj, the Brahmaputra and the Karnali. This isn't just another mountain. This is Mount Kailash, sacred to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains and followers of the Bon religion. Has anyone ever climbed Mount Kailash? The truth is that despite being much lower than Mount Everest, no one has ever summited Mount Kailash, except, according to a legend, Milarepa, the Tibetan sage of the 11th century. Milarepa was once a murderer in his youth, but later became a great spiritual master through Buddhism. Legends say he climbed Mount Kailash through his deep meditation and ascetic practices. After returning, he warned others never to climb it, saying it would disturb the divine powers resting there. Talking about the modern climbing attempts, it's not as if no one has ever tried to climb the summit recently. In fact, in 1926, Hugh Rutledge and Colonel R.C. Wilson attempted a climb but were blocked by snowfall. In 1980s, Reinhold Messner was offered permission, however he declined, saying, "If we conquer this mountain, we conquer something in people's soul." Most recently, in 2001, a Spanish team requested to climb but was denied permission. In fact, since the early 1950s, China has completely banned all climbing in Mount Kailash, which is surprising considering the CCP isn't exactly known for religious sensitivity. Some believe the ban exists because too many strange phenomena have occurred near Kailash, affecting climbers and even aircraft pilots. So as on date, still no known ascent. Right next to Mount Kailash are two contrasting lakes. On one hand, there is Lake Mansarovar, which is a round, freshwater, calm lake surrounded by lush vegetation, and it is seen as a divine water body. On the other hand, Rakshas Tal is a crescent-shaped, saltwater, turbulent and barren water body which is often considered to be demonic. They are connected by a tiny stream called Gangachu, which is believed to represent the balance of good and evil. They are often called the yin and the yang. Scientifically, it's baffling. Two lakes so close to each other and so dramatically different. Pilgrims often report seeing the face of Lord Shiva in the sudden shadows of the mountain, especially during twilight. Not just this, but at sunset, the shadows reveal the sacred symbols, that of the swastik, which is the symbol of auspiciousness, and can hear the sound of Om, which is the sound of the universe, formed not by man, but by nature. Mount Kailash is famous for its unusually symmetrical form. Its four faces are nearly planar, perfectly aligned with the cardinal directions north, south, east and west, giving it the appearance of a colossal natural pyramid. Some theories even suggest it may be too perfectly formed to be entirely natural. While geologists often credit this to erosion and glacial carving, though the sheer alignment remains mystifying. The symmetry reminds many of the pyramids in Egypt or Central America, sparking theories of ancient civilizations. Satellite scans, allegedly including those from NASA, have picked up powerful electromagnetic radiations emitting from Kailash mountain. These emanations were so strong and erratic that they made the compasses spin rapidly and continuously, in fact even causing malfunction to electronic devices even from a distance. This intense electromagnetic interference meant that the airplanes had to be prohibited from flying over the region. There have been cases where GPS signals become distorted and it complicated the entire navigation system. According to ancient texts and spiritual traditions, it is believed that this mountain has a spiritual energy acting as a kind of Earth's chakra, radiating energy that affects both the physical and the metaphysical realms. Whether significant or supernatural causes, This unanswerable electromagnetic mystery adds another layer to the secrets of Mount Kailash. There have been claims by pilgrims about the alleged strange time dilation experience around Mount Kailash. Several pilgrims and trekkers have described that spending even a few hours near Mount Kailash feels as if many days have passed in the outside world. Some have seen shocking evidence of this time lag, including noticeable changes such as grown beards, longer nails, and signs of aging when they thought they had spent a mere moment near the sacred mountain. Scientists have been captivated by these reports, hypothesizing the presence of magnetic or gravitational anomalies near Mount Kailash that could be altering human perception or even the time itself. However, due to remoteness and spiritual sensitivity of the region, there have been no official scientific measures that have confirmed these claims. Whether it's a natural anomaly or something beyond science, the mystery remains unsolved. So, is Mount Kailash just a rare geological formation? Or is it a cosmic axis where ancient myths, spiritual energy, and unexplained science converge? Some mysteries are meant to be explored but never solved. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much.